Everyone enters the stock markets to make money. You see a stock doing great, you invest, you make money. If it doesn't perform, you don't make as much money as you were expecting. We at Sharekhan Classroom teach you how to take informed decisions when it comes to stock markets. We believe that trading or investing is effectively understood when you're on a terminal watching the live market. The stock market is not just about equity. There's mutual funds, derivatives, currencies, commodities, and we've got modules covering them all. When you get right down to it, it's all about practice. You can retake our sessions as many times as you want, or you can refer to the training material which we share after the sessions. And to practice your skills, Sharekhan offers state-of-the-art platforms to help you trade or invest with strong research-backed ideas. All you got to do is take the first step. Open an account with Sharekhan and get free access to Sharekhan Classroom. Sign up today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.